Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to do paper 2 of April 2013. You can use calculator in this paper. In the first video we covered some question. In this we will continue with the rest of the questions. So let's get started. Okay, so question 14, factorize. We need to factorize this. First you look at the variables. We have only one variable y. So y square here and y here. So minimum is y and in bracket, and you see there is no number here. So only variable will be outside. So y minus 8. So that will be final answer, y into y minus 8. Right? Now number 15. This is a bit tricky and logical question. You need to think practically about this. Part of the train timetable is shown below. So this is the timetable of train. Grace wants to travel from Stavely to Kendal. She arrives Stanley station at 14:30. So she arrives at this station. We are talking about this, okay, at 14:30. How long will she have to wait for the train? So she is here in this middle time. So she arrived here at 14:30. So next train is at 14:52. So we have to subtract 14:52 minus. She is already there at 14:30. So so she has to wait there for 22 minutes, right? Now next, how long will the train journey take from Stavely to Kendal? So we are looking for here to here. So any of the time you can subtract. So let's say we can subtract this one and this. 15:25 to 34. 15:34, 15:25. So this is 9. So final answer is 9 minutes, right? You can choose any of these times, then you will get the same answer. Okay, part C. Sam arrives, now this is another person, at Kendal on the train that left Windsmere at 14:17. How long does he need to wait at Kendal until Grace arrives? So we have to compare both of them, Sam and for Grace, right? So Sam arrives at 14:17. So he arrives at Sam arrived Kendal on the train that left Windsmere at 14. This one. 14:17, right? So if he starts from here, then he will reach to Kendal at 14:34, right? So Sam is reaching there at Kendal will be what time? 14:34, right? Now let's see about Grace. Grace is let's go back. Where is Grace? Grace wants to travel to this at 14:30. So at 14:30, so that means she was here, so she is taking this train, right? This is for Grace. So she will arrive at this station at 15:01, right? So Grace is at Kendal at what time? 15:01. So now how long? So Sam arrived before and Grace is afterwards, right? So we need to find out how much time is this. So 14:34 and 15:01. We can just subtract this 15:01 and 14:34. So because this is hour, this is minute, so 15. So we are going to add 60 here. So 60 plus 1, 61. So 61 minus 34. 61 minus 34, it will be 27. So final answer will be 27. I hope you got it. So you have to go slowly in this one because it is time, so you need to think practically about this, right? Now question 16. Karen buys a car at $8,000. The following year he sells the car for $7,500. What the percentage loss? So first we see how much is the loss. Loss is $8,000 minus 7,500, right? So total loss is $500. So now we need percentage loss. Percentage loss is total loss from, you always take original price whenever you find out you want to find out the percentage. 500 over 8,000 times 100, this will give you percentage. So now 2010 here, so it's 50 over 8. So let's do this. 50 divided by 8, it is 6.25. so our final answer is 6.25. right? Now number 17, fill in the box. So we have here the factors and we need to open the bracket. So now you see we have here x square. How will you get x? If you will have x here, right? And then there is 12. So we have minus sign here. So 3 times 4 is 12. So you can do this directly. When you will open this bracket, x plus 3 into x minus 4, you are going to get this one. Now number 18, the distance from the earth to sun is given to us. It is 9286800 miles. Right? Write this distance correct to 3 significant figures. So we need to correct 3 significant figures. So 3 significant figures are here, right? So now we have to round it, like this is 6, which is more than 5, so it will be rounded up. So plus 1 here. So it will become 929, and rest of the digits we are going to make it 0. Make sure that you don't leave these digits. So if we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits, so you must have 8 digits. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 929. Then there are 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 miles. Okay, now number 12. A company makes 12 different type of televisions. The cost in dollars and screen size in centimeters of each type of television are shown in the scatter graph. You can see the scatter graph here. So we have cost this side in dollars, and along x-axis we have screen size in centimeters, right? So write down the cost of the television that has screen size of 65 centimeters. So let's see where is 65. 65 is in middle of 60 and 70, so it will be somewhere here. If you go up there, you can see this is our point here, right? So that means this is 300, this is 400. So 320, it's gap of 20, 320, 340, 60, 80. So it is below 320. So let's say this is 300, and because it's in the middle of these two, so it may be 310. Okay. So now B part, the company is introducing a new television with screen size of 85 centimeter. Put a ring around the cost that you think would most appropriate for new television. So we are looking for the 85 centimeters. So if you see 85 is somewhere here in the middle, right? If you go up, so if we draw a best fit line, like let's say we have a line here like this, so our value should go near this line, right? So 85, so if you go this way, so you can see this is along here, so it can come nearby here. So it may be, let's say 500, which is nearby here, we can see it's near to 500. Near to 500 we have only this 530 here. Why is this? Explain your answer. Because it is we can say because this value is nearer to the best fit line, or you can say it is near the other points. It is coming in those range. So that's it for this question. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would like you guys to request about this. So please subscribe to my channel and make sure you press the like button if you liked it and share it with your friends. Now let's move to question number 20. Use a trial and improvement method to find an approximate solution to the equation x cubed plus 5x equals to 400. Start with 7. Give your answer to one decimal place. You must show all your working. Here we can write down x cubed plus 5x, its value should be near to 400. So let's try for 7 first. When you do this, 7 cubed plus 5 times 7, so it is 378. So this is 378. How will you write down this one? We should write down here it is near or far. This value is coming 370, and here it should be like it is far, it is like small. Okay, so let's try for 8. So for 8, 8 cubed plus 5 times 8. Let's check again. 8 cubed, 8 power 3 plus 5 times 8. Yeah, it's 552. It's correct. 552. So this value is too big, right? So we are looking for a value in the middle of this. So it's 8. 8 is too big, and 378 is like near to this but not that much. So let's see 7.1. So for 7.1, it is 7.1 power 3 plus 5 times 7.1. So it is 393.411, right? So this is nearer. Now it's closer to that, right? Let's see now 7.2 power 3 plus 5 times 7.2, right? So it is 409.248. This is also near, but it is like, you see this 393, there is gap of 7 here, and 409 there is gap of 9 here. So this is more closer. Okay, so we cannot exceed this because then we will go far. So we can have 7.11. So let's try 7.11 power 3 plus 5 times 7.11 again. So we got here 394.975. This is also nearer that. So but we need the in one decimal place. So we need answer in one decimal place. So if we are taking this value, so you see it's exceeding. Even if you take 7.12, it will exceed there, but we have to take this value, for one decimal place. So we can have the answer here 7.1 as our final answer. So you must try these values. So at least you need 4 to 5 points for the trials, then you can come to the conclusion for your answer, right? Next question is from probability. Two fair four-sided dice numbered 1 to 4 are rolled and the scores are multiplied together. So complete the sample space diagram to show all the outcomes, right? So now here score on the second dice and score on the first dice. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to multiply. The results. So 1 times 1. So 1 times 2 it will be 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4, 2 times 1, 2 times 2 it is 4, 6, 8. You got it? We are multiplying this 2 by all of these numbers. Now 3 by all. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4 is 12. Then we have 4 times 1, 4, 8, 12 and 16. So that's it for this. Now what is the probability of obtaining an even outcome? Even numbers. Now we will count how many even numbers we have for the outcome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 probability of even number. It is 12. And how many are they in total? They are 4 times 4. They are 16. 4 this way, 4 this way. So out of 16. So we can simplify this. It is divisible by 3. 4. 4 times 3. 4 times 4. So final answer is 3 over 4. Okay, so number 22. A baby elephant has mass of 105 kilograms. The elephant increases mass by 95 kilograms per year. Work out how many years will it take for elephant's mass to increase to 2 tons. Give your answer to nearest year. Okay. So now first we need to know 2 tons. Like we know that 1 ton is equal to 1000 kilograms. Right. So 2 tons will be equals to 2000 kilograms. Right. So now the target is 2000 kilograms. So we can use ratio method here. In 1 year, if we have here number of years, number of years to the mass, right? So what is the mass? In 1 year, the mass is increasing as 95 kilograms. So now we need is mass to be 2000 kilograms, but elephant already has mass of 105. So if you subtract 2000 minus 105, 2000 minus 105 is 1895 kilograms. So we need this much mass to increase. So how many years will it take to gain this mass, right? So now cross multiply. X times 95 equals to 1895 times 1. So x will be 1895 divided by 95, right? So let's see how much is this. 1895 divided by 95. So it is 19.9. So 19.9 years. So which is approximately 20 years. So that will be our final answer. So let me explain this again. So we have to subtract 105 because elephant already have this mass. So 1895 is the remaining mass that should increase. In how many number of years? We have to calculate this using this mass, right? Now, number 23. A circular fish pond has an area of, so let's say this is a circular pond and its area is equals to 20 meters square. Calculate the diameter. We need to calculate the diameter. So we can just use the formula. Area of circle is pi r squared, right? So area pi r square. So it's given to us 20. Pi and r we don't know. So we can write it down like divide by pi, divide by pi. This pi and pi is gone. So we have pi here in your calculator. 20 divided by shift and you have pi here. This is 6.366. 6.366. This is r squared. Okay. So r will be square root of 6.366. So square root of 6.366. It is 2 point. So square root of 6.366 is 2.521, right? So this is the radius. We need diameter. Diameter is twice of radius, so 2 times r, which is 2 times 2.521, so times 2, so it is 5 point, it's coming 5.043, right? So this will be the answer, 5.043 meters, right? Number 24, you can see the diagram here. This is the last question of this paper. So we have triangles ABE and BCE. This is ABE, BCE are right angle triangles. They are shown with these signs here. Triangle CDE and BCE are isosceles, and these sides are equal, and they have been shown here by 2. This side equals to this one. This is this with these cuts. AE is 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter, right? EB is 4. This is EB. It is 4. Work out the length of AD. We need to find out length from here to here, right? So now, if this is 4, so that means this is also 4, right? So we can apply Pythagoras theorem on in triangle AB. In what triangle? It is ABC. In triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. We have always hypotenuse square. Sorry. This is not 4. This one is 4 down here. This and this side is equal. So we have EC square equals to EB square plus BC square, right? This side square of these two. So EC is equal to 4 squared plus 4 squared. This is 16 plus 16, 32, and EC will be square root of this, which is coming 5.65 centimeters, right? So we got this side as 5.65. So now, we have this side, and these two sides are equal. So if this is 5.65, this is also 5.65 centimeters. So to get AD, we will just add it. So now AD is equal to AE plus ED. So that means 5.65 plus this is 3 and this is this one. So 8.65 is the final answer. So that's it, 8.65 centimeters. So that's it for this question. So I hope you understood. So this was the last question of this paper. Please like, share and subscribe it with your friends, and let me know if there is any doubt or anything. I can explain it again. So thanks for watching. God bless you guys.